This might just be the most satisfying purchase you will make this entire month. This let completely honest finding perfect is undoubtedly a complete game changer. This viral stuff is literally everywhere right now. The engineering behind this unit is brilliant, ensuring that the engineering behind it is brilliant. It is incredibly user-friendly and built out of highly durable components. The standout factor is definitely how it makes your daily routine effortless. It delivers top-tier results effortlessly. If you want something that actually works as advertised, this is it. Don't wait until it's backordered everywhere right this second. This might just be the most satisfying purchase you will make this entire month. This let completely honest finding perfect is undoubtedly a complete game changer. This viral